Necrotizing Enterocolitis. Refer to the Pediatric Board Study Guide, 3rd edition, Neonatology chapter for the latest updates. Necrotizing enterocolitis is the most common GI medical and surgical emergency occurring in preterm neonates. Clinical presentation of NEC: feeding intolerance, delayed gastric emptying, very important early sign, high gastric residuals, abdominal distension, abdominal tenderness or both, abdominal wall erythema, very advanced stage in NEC, hematochezia, like blood in stool, apnea, bradycardia, temperature instability, lethargy, decreased peripheral perfusion, shock, and bleeding diathesis, which is consumption coagulopathy or DIC. This is an abdominal radiograph of an infant or preterm infant with NEC. You see here the abdominal distension. This is first thing we'll look at, and you can see the intramural gas, pneumatosis intestinalis. Here also intramural gas, you can see it, and also gas in the portal vein. So this is a classic presentation or a classic KOB of NEC or necrotizing enterocolitis. Remember, pneumatosis intestinalis. Laboratory findings in case of NEC: hyponatremia, metabolic acidosis, low platelets or thrombocytopenia, leukopenia or leukocytosis with left shift, prolonged PT and PTT, decreased fibrinogen, rising fibrin split products or DIC. Management, and the first thing and most important to start with, nothing by mouth and IV fluids, rapid nasogastric decompression, start IV antibiotics after cultures are taken, consult a pediatric surgeon immediately. This is the end. Thank you.
Having trouble or trying to pass the pediatric board exam? We have the definitive solution for you, presenting the Last Minute Review series, a powerful tool for achieving success in pediatric board exams, crafted by Dr. Osama Naga, a board-certified pediatrician by American Board of Pediatrics and the editor of the Pediatric Board Study Guide, a last-minute review. Dr. Naga breaks down the most critical subjects in this series. The Pediatric Last Minute Review webpage offers a thorough and rigorous set of pediatric board review sessions that are in line with the study guide. The lectures will cover the most important topics for each condition that a pediatrician must know for pediatric board exams, as well as real-life clinical encounters. The inclusion of a clinical case scenario, accompanied by multiple choice questions, followed by the most probable answer and a comprehensive description of the issue, will ensure test readiness for each student. You will be able to download the lecture's PDF files to make your studies easier, to take notes and be accessible on the go and offline. Based on the membership plan you choose, you will have unlimited access to the lectures for either 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. By viewing these videos, you will increase your chances of passing the board exam and gain substantial advantages from the acquired knowledge. Additionally, by studying the material and completing the AAP prep questions from the previous 3 years, you will greatly increase your likelihood of passing the board and will acquire a wealth of knowledge. Click on the link provided below to visit lastminutepediatric.com and subscribe immediately. Be sure to take advantage of our free video samples on our YouTube channel, Pediatric Board Last Minute Review. Good luck with your exams.